Today's going to be a great day. It's summer. We're gonna be productive. We're gonna enjoy the summer because I only have 2 semesters left of college. Oh my gosh. What if I just realized this is my last summer of my college career? That's crazy. If you're wondering why I'm wearing like a sweatband and a sports bra, it's because we're going to yoga. You know the routine, hot yoga every single morning because we're getting that summer bod. But something that I have been incorporating into my morning routine and also just my days in general is Notion. And this is not sponsored, even though I would love it to be because I love Notion so much. But it's basically just a huge planner, monthly goals, content planners, habit tracker, like everything you can think of, but it's online and it's on Notion, and you basically get to customize it, get to put pictures in, you can put emojis, like everything, so it makes it really fun. It's been really helping me do what needs to be done. So like as you can see, this is my home page, so this is like my inspo or whatever, and then I have my word for 2025, which is becoming, and then I have stuff like this, like my weekly to-do. And so for Monday, today's Tuesday, I checked off 4 of the 5 things that I needed to do, and now we're on Tuesday, so we're going to go work out right now. But look how cool this is. And then here's like my calendar, my content planner. You can even have like your monthly goals, which is so cool. There's a vision board, and then the content planner I think is super cool. Like I have this idea of what I'm doing on YouTube right now, your posting schedule, and then any partnerships that you're doing. Anyways, that's just keeping me very organized, setting me up for success, you know, because we all have a lot of things going on. But to be successful, you really have to stay on top of things and organize yourself. Be your own manager. Nobody's gonna get you organized. Like, you have to do that yourself. So yeah, I think organization is the key to success. But now let's go make breakfast and then we're gonna head to yoga. This is 11 pounds of dates. Alright, yeah, I'll taste test them. How would you describe your relationship with cooking?
With cooking?
Because she's Rachel.
And you're Monica.
Yes.
So I need your opinion because you're the best cook of all time. I had ripe bananas, so I used them to use.
Okay, let's see.
There's cinnamon and chocolate chips.
No, they're good.
But what?
They're good.
Because I don't like to make the loaf. I want to grab and go.
The hair because she's looking like a lion's mane, but we just got out of yoga. But we just stopped at Starbucks and I wanted to share with you my order and Carmela's order because I helped her out and got her a yummy order. Basically, this is 100 calories. That's it. Well, for mine it's 100 calories. It's just an iced doppio. I get half calf, and then 1 pump of brown sugar, and then 1 pump of the dark caramel sauce, and then almond milk. 100 calories, so good. Basically the same with Carmela's, except
Grace made this for me, this order.
it's the same exact thing, just sub the almond milk for vanilla sweet cream.
And it's a blonde espresso.
And blonde espresso. We're back. It's been like an hour. I pretty much just did my laundry and then I put some makeup on, and now I'm trying to figure out what I want to do with my hair. And it's pretty annoying because here's my thing, is that when I go to work out, I sweat, right? And so obviously that makes your hair like flat and greasy, and I'm out of dry shampoo right now. But then my dilemma is like, well, tonight I'm going on a run with Vic, and so I know my hair is gonna get sweaty again, and I need my hair back when I'm working out. Like, I cannot have it down. Does not work with me at all. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do because I don't want to be doing slick backs all the time, because they're not the best for your hair at all. They cause a lot of breakage. I feel like this looks so weird. Help me, help me, help me, help me. I have this thin headband. Let's see if it'll cooperate today. Because I could do something like that. I don't know. Or I could just keep it like this. Okay, we're gonna keep it like this. This is why I stick to like things that I know and things that I like, because when I try to do new things, Now I have a couple things to do. Actually, not I have to, I get to do the behind the scenes, the prep for our podcast tomorrow. I have a couple little like errand things to do, housekeeping. I want to start on my wedding master list, and this is gonna be like a master list of to do. And I think I'm gonna cover other people's to-do lists, like Carmela's maid of honor, or my mom's to-do list, Vic's to-do list, my sister-in-law's to-do list, like everything. Yes, I'm that person. I'm very type A. Let's go into the podcast room to do my work, honestly, because it's really aesthetic in there and it just motivates me. That's why I like to go to coffee shops or go really anywhere that makes me feel motivated, because I will feel motivated and inspired if I'm in like an aesthetic place. We're back in the podcast room, and as you saw, Carmela brought these dressers that are from her house, but we want to put them in the podcast room just for a little bit more furniture to look a little better. So I want to set these up so that they're good for tomorrow when we film. And also, like, I just need to be cleaning around our podcast room because just a little bit messy. Hello again. I just got out of the shower. I'm going to be using this good molecules Good Molecules 𝗿cie𝘆𝗹 Hyaluronic Boosting Essence. They sent this to me in a PR and I really like it so far. I noticed that if you use it on damp skin, it works a lot better, and especially for me since I have extremely dry skin. And I love Good Molecules because, well, first of all, they're very affordable. Everything is unscented and not fragranced, so it's super good for sensitive skin. And then for my moisturizer, this is my actual ride or die. This stuff is truly insane. This is the only moisturizer that actually hydrates my skin. Like, I have super dry skin, like borderline eczema. Something I love about this stuff, hopefully you'll be able to see it, it has little beads inside, and those are ceramide beads, I guess, and they like pop when you rub it into your skin. Oh my gosh, it's the best thing ever. I don't know about you, but since I have super dry skin, I hate going to the pool and getting out of the pool and then my skin is like so scaly. That is my top 10 worst feelings in the world. But now I'm gonna FaceTime Vic and we're gonna do our Bible study and do a devotional as well. I think we're starting a new one today, and then we will wind down for bed.